Hey guys, wait.
Ugly babies. Jack, look. And Jack, look. Hey, give me a hug. My ugly babies. My beautiful babies.
Hey guys, back again.
Hey y'all, I'm back again.
Man, my sister copying me.
No, he copied me, y'all. My brother copied me.
No, she copied me.
Hey,
We're both making
I
a
got
YouTube
some
video
slime.
at the same time. Hey, I gave her.
He let me have it because we traded. Because I gave him my hand. Ugh. Because I gave him my gummy hand and he gave me his slime. Bye.
Because
just
she
don't
gave
like
me
it, and I
she
don't
gave me her coming in, and me and her are making a YouTube video at the same time. And I wanted to tell you guys
I'm going to be doing this shout out on TikTok if y'all got TikTok.
I'm-
on my page.
if you her phone fell down.
Y'all,
If you subscribe and
subscribe to my
YouTube channel,
my TikTok.
her TikTok, no,
And my
follow her
slime channel,
TikTok.
my slime channel.
Hey, subscribe to my sister's YouTube channel
I'm gonna put it in.
and follow
We're gonna-
her on TikTok. And if you do,
Comment down below.
comment down below when you do, and you'll be the keeper of the week for her slime.
You can get. I'm gonna be selling stuff, even these nails because they're not lasting, y'all. Tell y'all mom y'all gotta buy some nail glue.
Yeah,
Because I'm gonna be doing
the
this shout out
slime dollars are for me.
for
but-
me,
No, they're for me because I give you that slime. That slime.
and the nails are mine. How much mine cost is $50.
Mine,
50 and 20.
mine costs
50 and 20.
mine costs 50 and 20 like hers, and
I said, get out of the mouth. What
And-
were you thinking?
she ain't the girl of the mall. And once you do that, something's gonna happen. You're gonna be the keeper of the week. And if you
I want to know what the keeper of the week is.
the keeper,
And y'all, I'm going to be selling these.
and
little
tomorrow
lip balms.
I'm gonna be telling everybody who's the keeper of the week, and once I get older, I'm gonna make my merch, and anybody can buy it, and it's gonna be cool. I'm about to make my merch, and it's gonna be cool. It's gonna this is just a little sneak peek. It's gonna have like a little guy petting a shark, and then once he pets it, it's like a big explosion, and then something happens. It turns into, and then both of them turn into a
And then I have a little marble.
man,
I'm
a
decorating.
guy that's a shark,
What?
and it's gonna be cool. Okay, what's gonna be your merch? I gave them a little sneak peek. What's gonna be your merch?
I'm going to give y'all this. My merch is. What is.
Wait, you don't know a merch is a shirt where you
Oh, yeah, I'm going to give y'all a shirt.
a shirt?
Yeah, I'm going to be buying some paint, and then I'm gonna have.
You're not supposed to do that with the merch. Okay,
Y'all, I'm just gonna be just saying stuff that I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna buy a 5 plain white shirt.
okay.
And then
Okay, she's making a merch. Everybody knows what a merch is. A merch is a shirt where you paint yourself or anything you want to do on it. for your YouTube channel.
Somebody at the door.
And you give it to the people who made YouTube, and you give it to the people, and then they put it in they like actually make it with wool, and then
Okay, we heard enough. Bye.
Man, my sister. Everybody knows what a merch is. Actually, look at her. What is she doing? And I hope you guys subscribe and like. Bye, guys. Like, subscribe. 1,000 likes, please.
No,
I really want my golden button. No.